If you ever asked yourself how to make money online, you're not alone. Every single day, over 200,000 brand new people jump on their laptop, desktops, or mobile devices in search of how to earn money online. One of the best ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing centered around side hustle ideas that can actually be used to make money. Smart passive income and some of the best affiliate programs are built and centered around evergreen products and services people really want and really need. Affiliate programs and systems with built-in recurring commission structure and foundation that make it easier to create smart passive income. If making money online is something you're exploring, you might want to take a really close look at our passive cash system. For starters, we've eliminated all barriers of entry, meaning absolutely anyone can get started without breaking the bank. Next, we rolled it into a leveraged passive income model, which makes it simpler and easier to scale. And finally, we throw in built-in affiliate marketing training, bonus IM resources, and the capability of firing it all up within an hour. If this is something that you're interested in and would like to learn more about, visit us over at comeongetSome.com. We'll be waiting. Thanks for watching. See you inside.